Hey, if you're watching this, there is something in you that wants to build something. Maybe a business, a meaningful life, or even a platform. But you're waiting for something, you know? You're waiting for a motivation. Are you waiting for clarity? Waiting for confidence? But let me save you time. That moment will never come. I know because in the year 2020, I got a Bell's palsy. Some of you already heard my story. And then my confidence was shaken. My motivation was completely shattered. And what I was doing before, coming to the platform or coming to YouTube and share my thought, like this kind of thing, I stopped everything. I told myself that I'll come back once I feel better, once I, felt ready. But the sad news is that time never come. What you and I really meant was, I don't want to show up if I'm not perfect. And this psychology is very, very dangerous. And let me share you a truth, you know, a harsh truth, which I learned in a very hard way. The version of you that's waiting for permission will never build anything. It will just delay your time. And in the later part, that will turn into excuses. And excuse never gives us anything. So I want you to like this instead. Decide today to take a tiny step. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be taken. I'm not here to motivate you. The builder's mindset is not about motivation, it's about a movement. A movement to take action. It's for the people who are done waiting, who wants to build, even if they are scared, even if they feel behind, even if they feel that they lack so many things, even if it is messy. We just need to take an action. So here is a challenge for you for today in this short discussion. Don't plan, don't scroll, just take an action. Don't overthink it. Whatever you have in mind for so long, which you have been, kept in the closet along with your excuses, open it today and take action. Start before even you're ready. I'll catch you in our next episode. Till then, take care.